Hello, my lovelies. I hope you're all okay. And I am dropping in today just to talk about something that is a little bit controversial. There's going to be people who agree with me, who don't agree with me, and that's absolutely fine. But this is my kind of take on it, that a lot of people are giving their power away. And I'm not necessarily talking about giving it away to somebody else. I'm talking about giving it away to the universe or to spirit. People, so something will happen or not happen. And I'm guilty of this. I've done it myself. But so many people will say, oh, spirit didn't want me to do that. The universe didn't want me to do that. The universe had different plans. They must have not wanted me to have it. And it's kind of what we call bypassing, spiritual bypassing, where you are basically passing off anything of your responsibility to the universe. It could be that you didn't get it because you didn't take any action. You might not have believed enough that you wanted it. How about you go within and start asking yourself, why did it not happen? Why has this gone this way? Why have I've not got X, Y, Z? Why did I lose that job? Why did I not get this money? Why did I not get this? Go within to find the answers rather than always thinking that the universe has got different ideas, because you're just taking away that responsibility from yourself. I've got to tune in with spirit or link in with spirit or speak to spirit to find out what I need to do next. What do you want to do next? You are in charge. You are in control of you and where you go. Now, do not for 1 minute think that I am dismissing connecting with spirit, because I am 100% not. I connect with spirit. I work with spirit. But do you see what I say, that I work with spirit? I do not work for spirit. I am spirit. We are spiritual beings. And the more you start to understand that you're not separate, you're one, you're the same, then we can stop this. I need to see what they say. What are they going to do about it? What does the universe think? What do you think? As a spiritual being, what do you, and in fact, let's get away from the word what do you think, what do you feel? Because it's all about your emotions, it's all about your feeling, yeah? So how do you feel about this situation? What do you feel didn't happen? Before you start connecting and blaming and just taking away any responsibility whatsoever, because, oh, well, the universe must just want different ideas for me. The universe didn't want me to do it. The universe must have something better. Now, I'm also a big believer that often things don't happen because they weren't meant to happen, because something else is due to come in. But that does not give us the right to just then dismiss it, because it's obviously part of the universe's plan. This is you, this is your plan. You are in control. You are the co-creator of your life, yeah? And the more you start understanding that, the more responsibility you are taking for yourself and for your actions, okay? Like I said, I'm not for 1 minute saying we don't connect with the universe or we don't connect with spirit or whatever, but this is about trusting your own intuition, okay? Tune in to yourself. What do you feel is happening? What do you feel might be the reason why things didn't go the way that you wanted them to? And did you not 100% believe it? Did you not take that inspired action? Because when we're talking about any type of manifesting, you have to take inspired action. That's the whole part of it. That's the biggest part of the manifesting process, is the taking action. It's not just sitting around and waiting for it to happen, and then when it doesn't, you're blaming it on the universe. No. Take action. Take those opportunities that are being brought to you. Be open to these possibilities. Okay? Go within. Seek the answers from within. If you want to get clarification of that from spirit, by all means do that. But first, please trust yourself and trust the answers that are coming up for you. And I'd love to get your take on this and what you feel about this. And I know this is probably going to ruffle a few feathers. You know what? That's what I'm here to do. I'm here to make you think outside of things. I'm here to make you stop in your tracks and maybe do things a little bit differently. Okay. I was going to say love and light. Do I want to say love and light? Yeah, we'll leave it with love and light.